This is NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio Station KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 MHz, and serving Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office at Wilmington, Ohio. Here is a high wind warning for the following counties in Ohio: Delaware and Union. High wind warning in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. Southwest winds 25 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm, and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.